Hello class! Today we are going to watch a video about Tesla's gigafactories and talk about the impact it's going to make to the world. You will complete 5 tasks and see the robot arms you learned from the last class. But first, we see how many words you've already known. Please look at the worksheet. Task 1. Circle the words that you know and write down its meaning either in Chinese or in English. Feel free to take a wild guess based on the pictures. You have 7 minutes. You can discuss with your teammates. Okay, now I'm going to read these words and please repeat after me. First, fossil fuel. It's in our daily lives. Second, uprising. Third, battery. Number 4, affordable. It means inexpensive. Number 5, electricity plants. Here, plants means factory. Number 6, solar panels. We see them on the roof. Number 7, high voltage cable. Now they are buried underground, so we don't see them that often. Throughput. Manageable. Industrial. We are an industrial high school. Sustainable energy. It's related to solar panels. Carbon tax. Alright, please tell us how many words you know. Raise your hands if your group circle more than 9. Good job. Okay, lesson 5. Okay, well, no worries. You will see these words in the video. You just need to pay attention. Now please turn to page 2. Task 2. Did you see a KWL chart? K means what you knew, like you learned robot arms. Joints. Indication lights from last class, right? Feel free to add more items. W means what you want to know. L means what you've learned after the video. So now I'll play this 2-minute video and please fill in the blanks on these 4 sentences.
I mean, the fossil fuel industry is the biggest industry in the world. They have more money and more influence than any other sector. So, I mean, the more that there can be sort of popular uprising against that, the better. But I think the scientific fact of the matter is we are unavoidably headed towards some level of harm. So the sooner we can take action, the less harm will result.
Wow. Holy crap, that's a good robot. Whoa! What is your grand vision for all of this?
The point of the Gigafactory is to get the cost. The way to do that is basically with the carbon.
Okay, did you like the video? It's actually a clip from the documentary Before the Flood. If you're interested in the topic, I have some other links for your future reference. Now please form a circle with your partners. Discuss what you know before the video and what you want to know about the Tesla's Gigafactory and also what you learned. You have 6 minutes. Okay, time's up. Any group wanna share your ideas? Or I have to pick a random group? Okay, group 3, please. Oh, you want to know how much the Gigafactory costs? Does anyone know the answer? Actually, there are some words that are also fundamental in the videos, like critical, it means important. Also, accelerate the transition. It means to speed up and make the transition happen sooner. Now, I'm going to give you the second worksheet, Task 3. It has all the answer on the Task 1. Please correct your answer on your own. After watching the video, please pick another 3 words that you would like to learn, okay? Also, mark the time when the word appears. It's a bonus task.
I mean, the fossil fuel industry is the biggest industry in the world. They have more money and more influence than any other sector. So, I mean, is basically with the carbon tax.
Okay, now let's look at the answers of the task 2. Robot arms, joints, lights. Batteries is in plural form. Plants, 100 gigafactory. Carbon. Did you get the answers right? Now let's move on to task 4. Fact check. These are some of the statements made by Elon Musk in the video. You can search on the internet and find out whether it's true, mostly true, or false. You have 15 minutes. Oh, don't forget to write down your opinion. Okay, time's up. Does anyone want to share their answers with us? Group 1, okay, your answer is false, true, mostly true, true, false. Can you tell us why? Okay, the last 10 minutes, we are going to finish task 5. Please write down the sentence that impressed you the most and the reason why. You can use the sentence pattern. In our opinion, the sentence is important because you can share with your teammates first. And please write it down in Google Classroom too. Here, if you fill in the answer and submit turning, you will see answers from other classmates. Feel free to leave a comment and you will see your grade in 3 days. I think that's all for today. Class is dismissed. Thank you, everyone.